to Henry's show. And welcome back to Henry's show. The review day finally came. Today, we're going to study Smart Phonics Year 1, 2, 3, and 4 review. You have a chance to remember again. Listen, write, and circle. D. Dog. I'm going to just say it. So example number 2. Fork. Where is a fork? There it is. Fork. What do fork starts with? F. Fork start with F. Number 3. Cat. Where is the cat? There it is. What do cat beginning word is? Cat beginning word is C. K. Elephant. Where do you think an elephant is? Here. Elephant. What the elephant beginning word is? Elephant beginning word is E. Listen, write, and match. You have lots of listening. You don't need to listen. I will say so. You can listen. You don't need to listen on CD. Number 1 is already have an answer. Number 2, ant. What do ant begins with? Ant begins with A. Where is an ant? Where's an ant? There. Number 3, girl. Where's a girl in there? There. Yes, you have there. Let's trace a line. What do girl begins with? Girl begins with G. So we have to write G. Number 4, lamp. What do lamp begins with? Do you know it? Lamp begins with L. L. Lamp begins with L sound. Where is a lamp? This is a lamp. It's still good to remember the picture. Example. Hippo. You have to picture it. You have to imagine it. If you're creative and if you have a great imagination, you can just do it and find the picture really well. Number 5, cap. What do cap begins with? Cat begins with C. Only one, so that means this. If there's still only one picture left, well, it's easy. Let's just trace it. No, you have to know why it is the answer. It is really important to know this. C. Cap begins with C, and cap picture is that. In number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, if you still see only one picture left and one number left. Oh, that's easy. Just trace a line. No, you have to think why it is an answer. Number 6. Key. Key. What the key begins with? Key begins with K. K sound. You have to write like this. Number 7. Elbow. Elbow. Elbow begins with E sound. E. Number 8. Bat. Bat. Bat begins with B. Bat begins with B sound. Number 9. Fan. Fan. What the fan begins with? Fan begins with F. F sound. Number 10. Duck. Duck. What the duck begins with? D. D sound. I know because we already traced the line, all of it though. Okay, do you like this? It's easy peasy. No, if you don't know the answer, that means it's not easy peasy to you. You need to still work more. Now let's move on to the next page. You have song and chant. You can just listen in your CD. It is really fun. You'll be really smart if you listen this in your CD. The CD in the back. You can cut it. And if you have a computer, you can put in it. This is more easy peasy. It is still important than this. It's more important to know this. We have 3 words in one letter. So, number 1. Apple and alligator starts with A sound. Now, let's do number 2. We have 3 words. So don't trace on 1 word. No. Don't trace on 2 words. No. You cannot do that. You have to trace on 3 words. Number 2. Do X starts with E? Yes. Does igloo starts with E? No. Does elephant starts with E? Yes, but we cannot trace a line on the elephant because we already have igloo. So let's move there. Does apple starts with E? No. Does elbow starts with E? Yes. Elbow, And elephant starts with E. It's easy peasy, right? F. Does X starts with F sound? No, it isn't. Does igloo starts with F sound? No. Does elephant starts with F sound? No, we already did it. It starts with E. Does that apple starts with F sound? No, we already did this. Does elbow starts with F sound? No, we already did this in letter E sound. Does iguana starts with F sound? No. Ink starts with F sound? No, it isn't. It starts with I sound. We're going to do it later. We can trace it. Okay, let's just trace now. Does ant starts with F sound? No, we already did this. It starts with A sound. Does fan starts with F sound? Yes, but we cannot trace a line on it because we already have ink and an ant. So we have to find a different way to trace it. Does lemon starts with F sound? No, it isn't. It starts with L sound. Does fork starts with F sound? Yes. You trace a line on it. But does alligator starts with F sound? No, it isn't. It starts with A sound. We already did this. If we do like this, we only traced 2 words, so you have to find a different way to trace it. Does fish starts with F sound? Yes. So this starts with fish, fork, and fin. There. F. Do you remember how to write F? There you go. Let's do I. I. Ink starts with I. Let's see. Does X starts with I? No. Does igloo starts with I? Yes. It starts with I. Does elephant starts with I? No, it isn't. We already did this. If you already traced the line on it, I'm not going to ask this question anymore. We already traced it. Trace it. Does iguana starts with I sound? Yes, it does. I. Well done. Number 5. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Because what we didn't trace the line on it, we can just trace it and answer it. Now we need to have 3 words. So we did it. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. We can just trace it that we don't traced before. It's still easy, but you have to know why it's the answer. Same like page 33. If you still think this is easy peasy lemon squeezy, you're still wrong. You cannot think like that. In your test, after review 2, we're doing a progress test. You're going to do it by yourself after you do review 2. Because I cannot tell you the answer of this. Maybe some people can watch Henry's show, me doing test, so they can follow it and be all correct and reply he or she is all correct. No. And some people's lying and some people is telling the truth. So I'm not doing progress test with you. After review 2, we are just going to do Smart Phonics 2. But we have to check by ourselves. Some people is still not good at phonics, so he or she cannot check his or herself answer. So they need to find the people who is good at doing English that you know. Now let's move on to the next page. Find and circle. You're already number 1. Number 2. This is a bat. What bat starts with? Bat starts with B. B. Where's a capital B and a lowercase b? You need to know the letters. You have to remember it, all of it. You need 1, 2, 3, 4. This. Got it? Okay, number 3. This is a desk. But what do desk starts with? Desk starts with D. Where's the D? Capital D. There. Lowercase d. There. Great. Number 4. This is a cap. Where's the capital C? There. Where's the lowercase c? There. Number 5. What do you think it is? This is a king. Well done. King starts with K sound. So, What we need to circle? Capital K, lowercase k. Got it? Great. Number 6. This is a fish. What do fish starts with? Fish starts with F. F. So, that's a capital F and a lowercase f. This is a game. You can play with your friends. But I will tell you how to play a game. What you need? Book1 flashcard. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 flashcard. I already showed you this, I think. Yes, we need a 6. So, we need 9 lines. Until there, you have to cut it all. And after you cut it, number 1, spread the flashcard around the board with the picture side up. Number 2, take turns flicking the coin from any one of the 4 corners on the board. Number 3, say turn sound of the letter where the coin lands. Number 4, find the magic flashcard, say the word. If the coin lands on any card, you take any card as you say the word. If the coin lands on miss a turn, you miss a turn. The team which collects more cards wins the game. Now, I know. Do you know? If you don't know how to play, I'll tell you again. The number 1. After you cut it, you have to spread the card with no letters. You have to spread the card with a picture on it. You have to see only pictures. And do you have a coin? With a coin, any coin, you have to place a coin there, and you know this. Yes, you have to drop it. And if this coin lands F, you have to say the F sound, f, and we have a picture. We need a picture, so fan starts with F. Take it 1, and more. Fish starts with F. Take it. Fork starts with F. Take it. It's just any card. That means you can do whatever you want. You can say any sound of it. Under L, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Only this 12 letters. After you review 1, you have to learn 14 more alphabets. We need to learn 26 letters, but we learned only 12 letters. For any turn, you can say anything like k. If you have any turn hard, you can say whatever you want. K. That means K card. Flip the K card. I think if we are wrong flipping a picture of the card, and you cannot take 1 word missed, and I think you have a chance to get another 2 word, I think, and miss a turn. If the coin lands there, miss a turn. You cannot do anything. You don't need to do anything, but you don't have a lots of chance to win a game. So this will be fun, and next time we're going to learn Unit 5 and oh, 3 letters. M, N, A. Are you ready? It's going to be exciting. See you soon. Bye.